I've got a wheel here from a 2005 Raptor 660, and I don't know if this is someone's paint job or this is how they come on the vehicle, but there's like a blue ring around here and black in the center. I watched a bunch of videos and I guess this stuff works pretty good. I just picked this up yesterday at Home Depot on today's January 14th, 2022. So this does not have any methylene chloride. So I'm not going to do a time lapse or anything. I'm just going to show you what this does. I'm just going to pause the video for a second while I tape this up, because you want to tape up this rubber nozzle here and tape around the tire, and then I'll show you the results of this without a time lapse. I think it cleaned up in about 5 minutes on the first rim. All right, so stand by. All right, I got the wheel all taped up. Sure, there's a bunch of different ways to do this. I just took small little strips of tape. I'm using the 2-inch painter's tape, and I just took small little strips and went all the way around. It took about, I don't know, 2 minutes. And then I put one on the valve stem here. So I'm just gonna take this stuff, shake it up a little bit, take the cap off, and all I'm gonna do is spray it on here. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I've got the ventilation going. I got an exhaust fan in here, so definitely make sure you ventilate. This stuff's pretty stinky. It kind of smells like, I don't know, I want to say dead fish, but I don't know if it's the spray or if it's the paint coming off. All right, that's about it. And what I've got here, what I used on the first rim, was just an old toothbrush. And the reason I use an old toothbrush is because in here, you can see how fast it's already coming off. In this little groove, it was a little hard to get off, but it took 2 coats to do this where I thought it looked really good. I think a toothbrush works pretty good. Just make sure you're wearing goggles so you don't fling this stuff in your eyes. And it might work a little better if I let it sit a little longer, but I don't really care. I'm just gonna do 2 coats. I mean, it doesn't take very long. And the reason I'm not doing a time lapse is every video I watched is a time lapse, and I'd rather see real-time results and show you real-time results with this. I'm not gonna let it sit. I'm just gonna start using it. And someday I'll get a tripod for a camera. Right now I've been using my iPhone. So please forgive me, and you can always fast forward through this stuff. But when I get it about there, right now it's smelling like the fish. Then I take some, just some paper towel and just wipe off the excess. And I actually spun the wheel on the first one I did, because I noticed I sprayed differently, you know, the way it's facing. So let me see, I got some more paper towel. Oh my gosh, now I'm really smelling the dead guts. It smells just like, I don't know, fish guts to me. Okay, so there's the results after. This is the results after doing 1 coat. And now I'm gonna do the second coat. Shake this up again. And hit it again. And I was pretty impressed because, oh wow, it's fish guts just killing me. All right, I was pretty impressed because I was trying to find something with that methylene chloride, because I know that stuff works really well, but no one's selling it anymore. I think it's pretty much illegal to sell now. Okay, so now we're at 4 minutes here, total video length, since I started actually spraying it on here. Maybe a few minutes it was to tape it up, but I didn't show you. And then just gonna, and again, make sure you are wearing goggles and rubber gloves, because this stuff's pretty potent, and when you're using a toothbrush, it can fling this stuff around. And just really getting that crack right there, that crevice. Again, this is off a Yamaha Raptor, and I don't know if this was factory or not, but it looked terrible. And I want it to look a lot nicer, and I think this will look great. Let me see here. I think it looks pretty good. Let me just wipe this off. Grab some more paper towel. And I guess you'll see, because this definitely smells like fish guts to me. Oh man, it is terrible. And again, I don't know if it's the product, because when you spray it on, you don't smell it right away, and then all of a sudden you just get this big whiff of it. So it must be the chemical reaction between the paint and the solvent. And these rims are a little beat up. You can see there's some rash around the rims. Grab some more paper towel. And that's about it. It looks pretty dang good. And pull that little tape off the rubber valve stem. As you can see, these are little tape strips. It just says not to get this on rubber or plastic. I don't know if it'll really affect it or not, but it didn't take very long to put these little strips on here. It's actually taken longer to take them off. But these off. All right, and then I got some just some cheap crap wheel cleaner. Removes brake dust and road grime. This is probably dollar store junk. Just gonna spray it on here. I just want something to take the chemical off. Grab some more. Just wipe this down. And you can probably do a little better job in these cracks here. They're just little crevices that are holding the paint a little bit. But you can see now I'm at about almost 8 minutes of time. That actually took me longer, I think, to take the wheel off. No, it didn't take 8 minutes. It probably took like 3 minutes to take this wheel off. But anyways, there you go. It's looking good. I mean, didn't take much time at all. And this product, this is just the Jasco. I think this was $12 at Home Depot, and it worked great. It was just spray. They have it in a can too, but I wanted to just spray it on, make it easy. And this rim came out really good. I'm gonna do the 2 rear wheels. I did the 2 front, but that's the other rear wheel, just to remind you how good it looked. And we'll clean all those up and you know, check it out. Now at about almost 9 minutes here, and I'm gonna put this rim back on. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.